What's going on, guys? It's your boy Vizzy. Welcome back to the channel. This is the channel where tech is not everything, it's the only way. Today, I will be doing a first impression unboxing on the Dji RS4. As you know, I posted a video showing me unboxing the RS3, and it's been out for like 2 years. Let me just upgrade from the mini to just the regular RS3. Come to find out, just after I did that, just after I bought it, DJI go ahead and release the RS4. I was mad, of course, because the price for the RS4 and the Pro are as the same as what the RS3 and 3 Pro was. So I pretty much pay full price for the RS3. So I reached out to DJI like, hey, I want to return my RS3 because I haven't even used it yet. There are a few new stuff about this thing that I really like. So yo, they got that little green thing going on there. Oh, it's definitely a pull out. This one is a pull out. And it's a pull up. This one you have to actually pull the stuff out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna be. Well, what's the difference between the RS4 and the RS3? Not a lot much, really. Like weight capacity is the same. You get the same accessory, but there are a few new bits here and there. Again, like I said, I'm not gonna rip this thing up too much. I'm gonna take my time and open it. I ripped the other one up so bad. So you get the regular little battery grip. The battery goes on the same. They do have the extended battery. I saw that. I'll probably get that in the future. I know I have a wedding coming up soon, so I'm gonna see how this works if I really need to get the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. So last one dead. That's for your camera. Let's get to the big boy. I need to destroy the bags. Yeah, this is nice. So this is the 4. This is the RS4. And what I like, they have that hot shoe right here. The RS3 doesn't have this, so I'm glad this is on here so I can add a controller if I need it. If I need that DJI controller or tilter, I can just add it to this side to give me a little control if I don't want to touch the controls on here. But though pretty much everything is the same. But what's new though, you can actually switch here to zoom with lens, and I like that. I like that a lot. That is insane. Still got that switch with the PTF, the PF, and FPV, which I mostly use between those two, the top two. I use those. So pretty much, yeah, right here. Make sure I release it. There you go. That's that thing I was telling you about. And then you could just literally just vertical slide it from right here, put it on the vertical. And I think this is a great addition to it. So you get that vertical mount just like that. I like that. And boom. All right, it's easy. My biggest part is it secure? But I'm pretty sure they did their testing. I trust DJI. They're good at this stuff. So that's that auto lock switch right here. That's one of my favorite features with the RS3 and the RS3 Pro. Don't get me wrong. If you get the RS3, it's fine. It's still a good gimbal. I'm just mad because I decided to buy a bigger gimbal, and when I bought it, DJI already just released a new one. So I think if I'd have bought it way longer before they release it, I wouldn't have got the RS4. But since I could make the change, I could return that product, and they just give me this one, and we cancel out everything. So actually, I'm wondering if it will fit inside this case that I bought for the RS3, because I didn't buy the combo pack. I don't need to, man. I don't need that stuff. I don't do follow focus, none of that stuff. I'm just like your average videographer who does wedding and stuff like that. So let me see if this works in my older bag, my older carry bag. Let me make sure I got this right. See if it will fit. Make sure I put this like that. Well, it fit. It fits in there. Okay. This goes here because it's the same. Ain't nothing really changed in it. Do it like that. Put it up. It does fit. It fit all right. Put it in. Oh, there we go. Oh, just like that. And ladies and gentlemen, that shit fits. I got some couple more accessories in here that I have my arm that I had from the Mini. I still have it here, carrying this little package. This is the battery I use. This is the small rig 50. For my Sony, I do use the dummy batteries. This one is a DC. I do have the D tap from what's that blue place called? Something blue. I don't remember, but they're really good for they're really good when it comes to cables and stuff like that. But this is just a regular. I prefer to use the DC over the D tap. It's just the D tap is so bulky. I just find it cool just using the old school battery drip. You know what I'm saying? I use this. This is also from Small Rig. I'll definitely show you the B-roll somewhere when I'm talking about this. But this actually is what I mount this battery to right here. Leave comments underneath so we can have a conversation. Let me know if you get the RS4. Are you keeping the RS3? If you prefer the Pro model, I personally don't, because if I do need the Pro in the future, I will purchase it. But for now, I think that RS4 or the RS3 is perfect for what I do in terms of filmmaking. And I'll see you around. So we're gone. Let me charge this up and do my thing.